Yes, at last it is occurring. You cannot therefore afford to miss this video if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or if you own Shib tokens. What recent Shiba Inu coin news then? Furthermore, how will all of these influence Shiba Inu's value? I will be responding to these questions in today's video, and I will be sharing all of the recent pricing boosting facts on Shiba Inu. I have spent a lot of time on this video, so make sure you see it through to the very last point to avoid missing any information. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. But let us first review the chart to see what Shiba's price is doing on the 9th of June before we get to our subject. Today Shiba Inu's pricing is around 1260 units, with a trading volume of $123 million over 24 hours. Shiba's price has changed 1%. Currently ranked as the 21st highest valued cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of nearly $7.3 billion. Please be aware by the time you see this video, these rates could have changed. This material is not financial advice. Let's now enter today's video. The greatest amount witnessed in more than a month, Shiba Inu suffered significant holder outflows exceeding 5.54 trillion Shiba, surprising the community. With Shib trading at almost 1,300 units, significant market players might have been tactically repositioning themselves during this exceptional activity. Starting in early February, Shib is trying to stabilize technically after a slow fall. Currently trading at 1,260 units, the asset is modestly recovering from a regional support range close to 1,220 units, up around 1% on the day. The moving averages for 50 days and 100 days keep slinking downward, stressing price activity and pointing out a consistent negative inclination. Still, a break above the declining trend line and the regaining of the 1,420 unit level might set off a short-term turnaround. Although RSI measures are just below neutral, suggesting weak bullish confidence, volume is still modest and would enable probable upward rise should momentum strengthen. On-chain dynamics expose a shift worthy of observation. Though 30-day outflows dropped by 68.33%, the latest 7-day shift shows a strong 49.55% rise, mostly from the current surge. Usually coming before bullish attitude, this abrupt departure increases the likelihood of accumulation by big wallets or intentional reallocation to cold storage. The reality that the outflow did not cause a price surge points to the tokens maybe not being traded on exchanges. Instead, as Shib concentrates at multi-month lows, it offers the possibility of a long-term placing modification by whales, which would be in line with more general market caution. Whale action and the solid support near 1,220 units point to Shib may be approaching a critical pivot zone, even if the pricing structure is still fragile. Any volume-confirmed break over the barrier might set off a fleeting relief rally into the 100-day MA zone near 1,600 units. Until then, traders should be alert as extra notable wallet moves and price responses will most likely define Shib's future course. If you are still watching, it would be much appreciated if you could go ahead and slam the like button. It costs nothing and really supports the channel. Still, stick tuned to learn the most recent Shiba Inu developments and what the coin's future holds. What price is Shib at? Shiba Inu is obviously successful if its market capitalization matches Dogecoin. Once introduced in August 2020, the dog-themed cryptocurrency swept the sector. Over the bull run in 2021, Shib's price surged. In October 2021, the price of the asset surged by several million% and peaked at 8,616 units. Since its 2021 high, Shib has battled to recapture the same impetus. Notwithstanding the poor effectiveness, the asset has been attracting investors and supporters. How much Shiba Inu costs? Dogecoin's market value is around $26 billion if its market cap matches that of Dogecoin. Assume for Shib's market capitalization to be $26 billion and its circulation supply stays at $589 trillion. Under such a situation, every SHIB token's price will reach 4,410 units. Should SHIB reach 4,410 units, its price will gather by 236%. Although the event is wonderful, it is nowhere like SHIB's 2021 gathering. Should Shiba Inu's current supply drop, every token's value will rise over 4,110 units. Might the supply of the asset drop? Vitalik Buterin's large token burn was among the most important events driving SHIB's amazing 2021 surge. Half of SHIB's supply came from the Ethereum co-founder at debut. Buterin chose to give the remaining tokens to charity after burning 90% of his acquired ones. His efforts resulted in a significant drop in supply since demand was strong, which caused a sharp price increase. Said to be working on a fresh burn mechanism is the Shiba Inu crew. Said to burn billions of tokens annually, the fresh burn mechanism. Should the project be successful, the price of the asset may grow really noticeably. The team has not yet revealed any specifics on the burn process. Furthermore, lacking for the burn mechanism is a launch date. It's now time for the major narrative of today's video. AI forecasts June 30th, 2025's SHIB price. For a multitude of investors, Shiba Inu has recently been one of the most popular cryptocurrencies to investigate. Although the token has recently adjusted to a moderate pace, this does not mean that it is only here for short term. Though price pressure is mild, SHIB is remarkably looking forward to reach new highs and is getting ready to adopt a comparable pricing posture to get that. On or before June 30th, 2025, will SHIB be able to create any miracles? Let's learn technical study of the coin-per-coin codex. Once Bitcoin reaches new price rises in the process, SHIB is traveling at a neutral pace and may have improved pricing visibility. By June 30th, 2025, per CC, the token might rise and surge to reach the 1891 units cost threshold. By July 22nd, 2025, SHIB may stable and trade around 1263 units. The coin's codex complete analysis comes out as follows. Our present Shiba Inu price estimate is that by July 20th, 2025 Shiba Inu prices will drop 1.04% and reach 1263 units. Our technical indicators reflect a gloomy present emotion. The index of fear and greed is displaying 30, having 4.65% price volatility during the last 30 days. Shiba Inu recorded 14 out of 30 green days. The Shiba Inu projection indicates that right now is not a good time to purchase SHIB. Please be aware, by the time you see this video, these rates could have changed. This material is not financial advice. Many of our members keep millions of SHIB because they believe in the Shiba Inu creators and the actual worth of SHIB. They are not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years. You guys are carrying how many? List your SHIB assets in the comment area below, not forgetting this. Let us honor the SHIB holder for having faith in the system. If you are like the video, kindly give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the feedback section your opinions on the Shiba Inu token. Additionally, make sure the post notifications are turned on to get informed every time we publish a fresh video.